How to delete YouTube videos all at once. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to open your YouTube studio. So once you are here, you have to simply click on these videos and simply check mark all of these. As you can see, it has selected 30 videos. So let's say you want to select 50 or above, so you have to scroll all the way down to these rows per pages. So simply click on that and go for this 50, and now it has selected the 50 videos. If I click on that, as you can see, it has selected 50 videos. So you have to simply click on this more actions, and there is your delete forever. So once you have clicked on that, you have to again click on delete, and all of these 50 videos will be deleted. So this is the only way that you can delete all the videos at once. So if you want to delete more videos, you have to scroll all the way to this next page and you have to do it one by one. So that's how basically you can delete YouTube videos all at once.